A restless defendant stands before the court, caught between defiance and desperation. Judge Raquel West's patience runs thin as his excuses spiral into chaos. But just when he thinks he can talk his way out, the truth about his behavior inside the jail begins to unravel.
All right, this is, stop talking. This is cause numbers 24 DCCR 1500, 24 DCCR 1614, 1615, 25 DCCR 0436, and you're Traylon Hill. And Mr. Hill's charged, let me go through this, in cause number, the first one, 1500, with obstruction or retaliation. Do not do that again.
My apologies.
Who's in here for him?
My grandmother.
All right, ma'am, can you move over to that back corner so that he cannot see you and be distracted? Thank you for being here. Mr. Hill, you just don't know how to behave, do you?
I apologize.
Saying you're sorry doesn't matter. This is nonsense. Since we were here last time, I don't even know how many more pages of the nonsense that you've been doing in our jail.
It's gaslighting. It's solicitation.
Okay.
And I've been trying my best to stay out the way. I've been getting bullied over the microphone. I have inmates, they're encouraging the inmates to harass me, calling me punks, alpha, profit, you know, plenty of things. Gangster player, mad,
Yeah.
mortar. Man, I'm just trying my best to stay out the way.
Okay.
I got a job, I got a home, an actual home. I don't stay in apartments or anything like that. My mama actually owns rent houses. And you know what I'm saying? I'm actually trying to take care of the family business. And my dad's 76 years old.
Yeah.
My best to stay out the way.
Well, it doesn't look like you are.
Yeah, it's tough in that facility. It's a war zone.
So one of the time you're running back and forth, playing like a little kid in the day room.
I work out.
Who made you do that?
I'm a boxer. I work out.
Are you allowed to do that in the jail?
In the rec room? Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so are you allowed to do it in the other room?
I have a one-man cell in the facility.
Are you allowed to do that?
Yes, ma'am.
You are?
I'm not running freely throughout the facility or anything like that, but I do work out a lot every day.
So who made you dash the floor with water?
Everyone in that facility has a water
Who
bottle.
made you dash the floor with water?
I'm not the only one. That was
Listen
me.
to my question.
No one did.
No, but you did it on your own,
Yeah, but
right?
it wasn't
Nobody's,
like that.
stop talking when I'm talking. I'm gonna ask you some yes or no questions.
Okay.
So nobody's making you do those things, right? Nobody bullied you into dashing water, right? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, hold on a second. What about why do you continue to make comments to the female officers out there? Why do you think that's okay after you've been told not to do that?
Sitting in the cell all day long, man. When I see them women, I get concerned. I'm a little boy. I admit that.
'Cause you're a lover boy.
Yes, ma'am.
So you understand that part of all of this trouble and you not being able to get your cases worked out is because you can't follow that rule.
Yeah, I hate that.
Did somebody bully you into being that way to those officers?
In a manner, you know what I'm saying? When
Oh,
I'm
yeah?
dealing with these stressful inmates, you know what I'm saying? I love to be around mom.
Okay.
I'm a mama boy.
Judge, based on his Sunday night activity, I'm pretty sure there'll be a new case coming.
Yeah.
I've got to call into the investigator for the sheriff's department to find out
Okay.
when they'll bring that over. But I would ask that we go ahead and set these in for trial.
And we've already talked before about the fact that everything that's happening, a jury is going to know about all that. You understand that? Okay. And do you think that's going to help you or hurt you when a jury hears how you're behaving in the jail?
When it comes down to video footage and how I explain it, I think my efforts will be pretty good.
You think so?
Yes, ma'am.
You think so? Let's go through real quick before we do this rejection. And cause number 24-1500, you're charged with obstruction or retaliation. Is that a third
That is a third, Your Honor.
degree felony, which means if you're found guilty, the range of punishment is between 2 years and up to 10 years. Do you understand? And cause number 24 DCCR 1614, You're charged with aggravated assault with a deadly weapon. And
Trailing Hill insists he's misunderstood, bullied, gaslighted, and just trying to survive. But the judge has heard it all before, and the evidence says otherwise. As the charges pile up, one shocking decision seals his fate. No more deals, only trial.
second-degree felony offense, which means the punishment range is between 2 years and up to 20 years in prison if you're found guilty. Do you understand that?
Yes, ma'am.
And cause number 24, DCCR 1615, you're charged with aggravated robbery, which is a first-degree felony, which means if you're found guilty, the range of punishment is a minimum 5 years up to life in prison. Do you understand?
Okay.
And then in 250436, you're charged with burglary of a habitation, which is a second-degree felony. The punishment range in that is between 2 years and up to 20 years if you're found guilty. Do you understand?
Correct.
I have here on the computer a plea bargain rejection that shows that the district attorney's office has made an offer, if you wanted to enter a plea of guilty, for a 10-year term in prison on a lesser offense of robbery.
Of robbery and dismiss all the other charges.
You have every right to reject that.
It was an excellent deal, but
That's fine. I just want you to know that after today, I will accept no plea agreements. A jury is going to decide, because I don't know that I even agree with this. So today's the day. If you want to take it, fine. If not, you're going to trial. A jury will decide if you're guilty or not. And then if you are found guilty, that jury will determine what your punishment is. And is that what you want to do?
are all these charges gonna be on one trial?
They don't necessarily have to be, because you've
Your
got
Honor,
3 different dates.
Your Honor, the robbery and aggravated assault are the same offense day. I'd expect to try them together.
Okay, so what can happen is you will, it sounds like the aggravated assault and the aggravated robbery will be tried together.
Yes, ma'am.
It's important that you understand also, if you're found guilty on those, then the state can also try you later on one or both of the other cases. If you're found guilty on those, because the offense dates are different dates, there is the possibility that any sentence that a jury gives you could be stacked or run consecutively. Do you understand?
Right.
Okay. All right, we'll get it set for trial. Go back with the bailiff.
Trailing Hill steps into Judge Raquel West's courtroom already fighting a losing battle. His words come fast, frantic, claiming he's been gaslighted for weeks, tormented by inmates and guards alike. But Judge West has seen this pattern before. Her patience is razor thin, her tone sharp as steel. She reminds him that apologies mean little when the chaos keeps following him. Hill tries to justify himself. He talks about his family, a business, a sick father, painting a picture of a man trying to hold on. Yet each word only deepens the judge's disbelief. Reports show he's been misbehaving in jail, dashing water on the floor, making inappropriate remarks to female officers, and ignoring every rule. His excuses crumble under the weight of her questions. "Did anyone make you do that?" she presses. "No, ma'am," he admits. Then comes the turning point. The prosecutor warns that Hill's latest jail incident could bring new charges. Judge West reads out his current ones: obstruction, aggravated assault, aggravated robbery, burglary, each one heavier than the last. A plea deal sits on the table, 10 years and the rest dismissed. But Hill hesitates. In a single chilling moment, Judge West ends on negotiations. "After today, I'll accept no plea agreements. A jury will decide." The courtroom falls silent. The man who once boasted confidence now faces decades or even life behind bars. It's a haunting reminder. Sometimes defiance feels like strength until it becomes the reason you lose everything.